So one of the big things we want to make sure that buyers are aware of is, we put together a checklist just so you can kind of always be ahead of before you fall in love with this beautiful house and everything else. And I know it's emotional, and but
you're getting people to spend their time, their effort,
right,
their thoughts, talking to banks about potentially putting in offers, profiling a property, if you will.
Right.
I like to think of it as that you're kind of building a profile. Is this the home we want? Does it have the yard we want? Does it have, the curb appeal? Does it have
the right
closeness to the school you want? You also need to think about some of these other components now that could derail your deal, right?
Exactly.
Like the roof, right?
Yeah.
So calling that out up front is important. Always get an insurance quote before you submit an offer. Ask your agent or the seller's agent for documentation on the roof when it was last replaced, if it's available. If not, you're going to have to do an inspection, right?
Exactly. And it's worth a couple $100 to do the inspection if it's going to, kill the deal, or if you need to ask for a credit at the closing for a new roof, you need to know that ahead of time.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, if you need insurance to close, don't skip the inspection.
Not at all.
You want to get that done right up front.
And most people, if you're getting a loan, you need insurance to close.
Everybody.
Yeah.
You'd be crazy. Even if you're buying with cash, you want to have insurance coverage. I think.
Exactly.